Finally, people, Regina Daniels' brother has been released. Finally, they don't release her brother wey be Sammy West. My people, una see say social media get power. Social media, e get one kind influence wey e dey get for matter. Una know say when they arrest Regina Daniels' brother, so many people put mouth for inside the matter. So many well-known people like Mercy Johnson, people like Sowore, who has been working effortlessly to see that Regina Daniels' brother got released. And finally, my people, he has been released. And Regina Daniels will be his sister. Don't make video. Thank all the people that helped to see that her brother was released. All the people that worked hard to help the family in securing her brother's release. My people, in that video that she made, Regina also made it clear that the rich also cry. When una think say rich people, nothing dey ever touch them. My people, una lie. Una see those rich people. Those people where we think say dem be billionaire. E get some kind problem wey dey get to them. Una know say no be everything money fit solve. No be everything your money go fit solve. No be every problem your money go fit solve. E get the kind problem wey you go get, my people. Na your fellow human being go help you out. Na your own fellow human being. Na dem go fight for you. Na dem go fight for you. Na dem go make sure say you get justice for that problem wey you get. No be your money. Money go also help, but everything no be money. E get some kind, because Regina talk say because she dey rich, people think it's not normal for her to come out to ask for help, for her to reach out to people for help. That is not like that. And at the same time, my people, she allegedly mocks her husband in that video also, because she was so happy, so excited that her brother has been released, and that her husband thinks that her brother will remain there, that he will never got released. Now he has been released. She was so happy, my people. But is it not too early for her to start mocking Panel Nwoko? Is it not too early for her to start laughing at him? She never can tell what he might do next, because such mockery will only make the man more angry. Make she just happy say they don't release her brother and think of a way forward, instead of mocking the man indirectly, instead of laughing at her husband indirectly. Please, my people, if today is the first day you're coming across this channel, subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share. Thank you.